Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2014 and is related to the topic of Indian agriculture. The question is, consider the following pairs, regions given and what they are known for. So number 1, Kinnor is known for areca nut. Number 2, Mewat is known for mango. Number 3, Coromandel is known for soya bean. Let's see these crops one by one. Areca nut is basically known as betel nut as well. It is grown in 28° north and south of equator, that is basically tropical regions. The temperature required for areca nut is 14 to 34 degrees Celsius. This is the optimum temperature. Below 14 degrees Celsius, below 10 degrees Celsius and above 40 degrees Celsius, these temperatures are detrimental for areca nut production. That is, they damage areca nut production. As far as production of areca nut is concerned, then Karnataka is the largest producer, which produces around 80% of areca nut in India. In Karnataka, areca nut is considered as horticulture crop. At national level, it is considered as commercial crop, and at international level, areca nut is considered as dry fruit. As far as import of areca nut is concerned, then we import maximum areca nut from Sri Lanka and Indonesia. Also, in the year 2021 and 22, we imported around 17,000 tons of areca nut from Bhutan. So this is the basic of areca nut. As far as mango production is considered, mango is grown in dry season. The optimum rainfall required for the production of mango is 75 to 375 centimeter. This is a very huge range. That's why they are grown in maximum part of the country. The soil that is required for mango production, the optimum soil is loamy, alluvial and well-drained soil, and the highest producing state is Andhra Pradesh with around 23% of mango production. After that, UP, and then Maharashtra, Karnataka, etc. So highest producer currently is Andhra Pradesh. As far as world's mango production is concerned, then 55% of world's production is done by India. 55% of world's production. Also, India is one of the largest exporter of mango, and it exports mango to UAE, UK, Qatar, Kuwait. These are the largest importer of mangoes from India. As far as soya bean is concerned, soya bean is a leguminous crop which requires optimum range of temperature, that is 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, and it is grown in hot summer season. It also does nitrogen fixation, and the rhizobium bacteria, it fixes nitrogen as far as soya bean is concerned. And Maharashtra and MP, they produce around 83% of total soya bean produced in the country. So these are the facts regarding soya bean. Now if we see the question again, the regions that has been asked are Kinnaur, Mewat and Coromandel. Kinnaur is situated in Himachal Pradesh, and this is basically known for apple production. And as far as areca nut production is concerned, then Karnataka and Kerala are the major areca nut producing states. As far as Mewat region is concerned, Mewat is situated in Haryana. This is also known for agriculture and allied services, agriculture allied services. But as far as mango production is concerned, then Andhra Pradesh, UP are the major producers. So both these statements are incorrect. As far as Coromandel coast is concerned, Coromandel is the southeastern coast in Tamil Nadu, which is known for rice production, coconut production. So soybean is basically grown in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. So all the pairs are incorrect as far as this question is concerned. So D is the correct answer. That is, none of them is correctly matched. Thank you.